You're crazy. A little bit? You mean a lot. Hey!
Oh yeah. It's Dataraya. Dataraya.
Nobody can say it.
I know.
Say it. Say it out loud.
Dataraya.
Unicorn! You look like a creeper. Oh my god.
No. Slow.
Mine is started. Woohoo! You have an alien head. It's the hoodie. It's like. Oh god. You wanna take it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Jeg bestemmer over.
Don't drop it.
What?
Don't drop it. Oh, it will break. I believe.
Nope. That iPhone is unbreakable.
Unbreakable.
I'm never
You
gonna
know, you.
No, my hair is fucked up. This is going on YouTube, and I look like shit. We're in a library.
And they're talking.
Oh my god, really? Oh my god, have a laugh.
Nice.
What are you looking at?
It started.
Oh. It's a shame that you have to go to work. More videos could come up.
What? More videos?
Yes, we could do more videos if
Yay.
I didn't have to go to work today. To work. Two times in tonight.
2 times a week. Let's go on something. We work on. Let's search on something funny. Why is my. Hey, but look at this question. Why is my poop purple? Let's search on it. Poop is purple. What should I do?
Nu sidder jeg her og skriver igen.
Yep.
Men det er min lillebror, der har glemt at logge af. Er det? Fedt, mand. Nå, det gør det ikke. Godt for mig.
My god. That's freaky.
Hvad lever I?
YouTube video.
Vi sidder på Ask. Nej, man bruger kraftigt ikke Ask. Der er noget, der hedder Google.
Yep.
Hvad er Ask? Anden trip. Hvordan fanden kom det? Hvorfor ved du det?
Oh.
Det! Se der. Bing. Så er det nogen.
Oh shit.
Men Google er bare bedst.
I'll take it. I need to type. One time, then we missed it 2 other times.
Og hvorfor skriver man op på engelsk og ikke på dansk?
What? Jamen, hun er ved at lave en historie.
Jamen, hvorfor skriver man så ikke på dansk? Det går meget hurtigt.
Det er meget nemmere på engelsk.
Nej. English is easier.
Easier,
Du
yes.
kan også sætte det ind på Google Oversæt.
Oh my god.
Hvad er det, du kan i Google Oversæt?
Der er simpelthen så fucking mange grammatiske fejl, så det er helt
det kan man
utroligt.
så ret bagefter. Det går stadig hurtigt.
Nope.
Det kan man da godt. Eller man kan
Don't
skrive på
know how
dansk.
to translate it.
You Danish.
No.
Du er vokset op med dansk, så skal man altså kunne skrive dansk hurtigere end engelsk.
Oh my
For,
god.
ellers så
Jeg
er
skriver
det
sgu
bare
engelsk hurtigere, end jeg skriver dansk.
Why?
Shit.
I'm telling you English because I want to.
Det skrive.
Awesome. Because I'm awesome. Yeah, someone laughs.
Photoshop.
Jawheads. They're Jabba the Hutt.
Okay. Police fake.
What?
Final er middle finger icon for Facebook chat. Code middle finger. Then Chica Mama just do it.
Try to do this.
Since when did Hidan use glasses?
Yes. Come on.
Never. Never gonna do it.
Yeah, sure.
Look at you. No. Oh no, he fucking did it. Look at you deleted his Deviant.
Really?
What?
Look at you. I'm gonna miss you.
And we don't.
You don't even know DeviantArt.
What?
Exactly.
DeviantArt.
Why?
Yes, yeah.
It remembers my email. Yay!
Just